What we have here is the solar energy conversion set. It comes with a solar panel, LED, buzzer, a motor with a propeller, and this is a connector to make the connection of wire easy. So basically what you need to do is just press and you can remove the wire. Alright, and you press to release, then press to clamp. So now we have all the atoms ready. As for the lamp, the light, now we are in indoor, we will require a incandescent light lamp to create the light, right? So this is the light source. Once your solar panel is near, right here, see that it's turning now, right? Because of the frame, it looks like it's not turning very fast, but it is. So now we have the light energy converted to electrical energy and then convert to kinetic energy. Then we can change, right? Just press the button to release the wire. Then after that, LED, press. Okay. You can see its LED has been lit. Okay. Then now the buzzer. Can you hear the noise?